Good morning everyone. My name is Swami Das. I am a DevOps engineer from past 2 years. So today I'll show you how to create an AWS SNS. So what is SNS? Basically Amazon SNS is a simple notification service, is a fully managed messaging service, is used in to send notification between applications or to end users. So what it does like it lets you publish messages to the topics and then to subscribers. So let's see, we'll click here, SNS AWS simple notification service. So if we come here, this shows create a topic. So I'll create one topic here, my SNS TOPIC topic. You can give any name here. Next step. So in here it's showing 2. I'll choose standard here and create topic. So first of all you need to create one topic, so the publishers can publish their topic to the topic and then create subscription. So in here there are many types of protocol: AWS, KINS, Data Firehose, SQS, Lambda, email JSON, HTTP, HTTPS, SMS, platform application endpoint. I'll choose email here. So the endpoint is here is clearly mentioned here, an email address that can receive notifications from Amazon SNS. So I'll put my email here. See, after this one I'll create the subscription. So in here you can see that it's pending confirmation, means I have to go to that email and see here AWS notification subscription confirmation. So I'll confirm this subscription and this subscription is confirmed. Now I'll go to this AWS subscription and refresh the page once. So as of now I can see the status is confirmed. So I'll go to the topics and I'll select this topic and publish message. So it's telling you subject SNS. It's completely optional. So message body is sent to the endpoint. Is a SNS topic. That's it. You have to do and publish this message. It's showing message published to the topic SNS successfully. Okay, so let me check my email. See, one SNS message came. See, this is a message from SNS topic. That's it. This is a basic overview. I'll cover the next topic in next video. Thank you.